Sir, you to mean the mandible with half of the mandible has gone. So this is the entry. This is the entry wound. This is the entry wound, sir. And this is how we first saw him, sir. The half of the mandible.
He got a consultation left. He got also action injury, sir. He was also recurred. You have a vascular surgeon here also. We have got the multiple sphincters on the abdomen side. Got multiple regional walls.
सर आपको छाने वाले भी इंसुलर एंट्री करवाते ही कर देते हैं विदाउट
उसी के बाद ये कलर